We all know what a bad customer experience is like. Robotic voices that don't understand or can't help. Repeating your order number. Taking forever to get a human on the phone and then it's the wrong one. I yearn for the day when support lines aren't traditional IVRs, but start with an AI voice that isn't terrible and responds in real time. If it can't help me, it hands me off to the right human who starts with context from my conversation. The future is bright, and we have the power to build it today. But voice AI can be difficult to get right. You've got latency, interruptions, turn taking, tone of voice, a bunch of stuff we don't worry about with text chat. So how do you build a voice AI agent that actually feels conversational without stitching together 5 different services and worrying constantly about latency? Conversation Relay enables a single WebSocket connection between Twilio Voice and your AI. You bring whatever LLM you want, OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, or even a local model, and Conversation Relay handles the hard stuff. Speech to text, text to speech, interruption handling, turn detection, all managed while you get to focus on what your agent actually says and does. So what does this look like in practice? The Developer Hub this month is focused on voice AI. The Conversation Relay docs are linked at the top, taking you from quick start through to production patterns. We've got a tutorial on integrating Google Gemini with Twilio Voice using Conversation Relay and Python. There's a full walkthrough on building a voice and SMS AI agent with Twilio Agent Connect and Microsoft Azure, and an orbital hotline using Conversation Relay, Python, and OpenAI. Want to just build? The Code Exchange has a ready-to-deploy AI phone agent using Conversation Relay and Python, ready to clone and customize. If you want to see this build step-by-step, we've got a full tutorial using Gemini to build your own AI voice assistant linked in the playlist. Or if you want to go deeper, join our Level Up webinar series doing a 3-part deep dive on the new Twilio Conversations. One more thing, Twilio's AI startup Searchlight is open for applications. If you're building something with AI in communications, voice, messaging, whatever, this is your launchpad, mentorship, visibility, the whole community behind you. Check out some recent videos with previous AI Startup Searchlight winners in the playlist below. And if you are at Twilio Assemble Berlin, or you're getting a little FOMO, there's an awesome recap video linked too. The next one is in San Francisco alongside We Are Developers North America on September 22nd. All of it's linked on the Developer Hub. Go give your AI a voice. See you next month.